Do you have a loose denture and want it to fit more securely? Lucky for you, there are solutions for dentures that won't slip or slide. Stick around and find out what it is. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Schneider from Secure Dentures and Implants, right here in Springfield. Today, we're diving into revolutionary dental solutions that can change your life. Snap-in implant overdentures. If you've been struggling with missing teeth or uncomfortable dentures, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. So what exactly are snap-in implant overdentures and how do they work? Let's break it down. First thing, what is a snap-in denture? These are innovative dentures that attach securely to dental implants placed into your jawbone. Unlike traditional dentures that are simply resting on your gums, with snap-in dentures you can say goodbye to the hassle of glue and hello to more stable, comfortable fit. Imagine enjoying your favorite meal and chatting with friends without worrying about your dentures shifting. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's walk through the process of how this works. Step 1, consultation and planning. We start with a comprehensive consultation. We assess your oral health, discuss your personal goals. With the help of 3D scans, we'll create a tailored treatment plan just for you. Step 2, implant placement. Next up, we'll surgically place dental implants into your jawbone. Depending on your needs, this can involve 2 or 4 implants, setting the stage for a secure fit. Stage 3 will be the healing period. After the implants are placed, there's a healing phase where they have to integrate into your jawbone. This process is known as osseointegration. Typically, this takes a few months, but is crucial for long-lasting results. Step 4, overdenture fitting. Once you've healed, we'll custom craft a snap-in overdenture, complete with special attachments that will lock it onto the implants for a snug fit. Step 5, adjustment and follow-up. We'll make sure that we make any necessary adjustments to ensure you're comfortable and have a functional smile and bite. Regular follow-ups will help us keep track of your progress and maintain your oral health. Now let's talk benefits. Why choose snap-in overdentures? Number 1, unmatched stability. Forget about slippage. Snap-in dentures stay in place while eating and speaking. Number 2, ultimate comfort. With secure fit, you'll have less experience of irritation to your gums, leading to more comfortable daily activities. Number 3, natural functionality. Enjoy a wider variety of foods. Snap-in overdentures provide biting and chewing strength that traditional dentures can't match. Number 4, jawbone preservation. The implants stimulate your jawbone, help maintain and prevent bone loss over time. Number 5, simple maintenance. While you still need to clean your dentures, they're generally easier to care for than traditional. No messy adhesives required. So who's a great candidate for snap-in overdentures? Ideal candidates typically include those who have lost most or all their teeth, or currently wear dentures, and have enough bone density for implants, and can handle minor surgery. If you're experiencing bone loss, don't worry. There are solutions like bone grafting to prepare your jaw for implants. In summary, snap-in dentures are secure, comfortable, and highly functional solutions for anyone looking to replace missing teeth. They can significantly enhance your smile and the quality of your life. If you're curious about snap-in dentures and want more information, don't hesitate to schedule an appointment for a consultation with us here at Secure Dentures and Implants. We are ready to guide you through every step of the way. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more dental insights and tips. Got questions or experiences you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. Until the next time, take care and keep smiling.